कि हमने इससे पहले कभी आपत्ति नहीं जताई, पर हमें तो पहले से ही मालूम था कि मैडम का जो अपॉइंटमेंट है वो गलत है। सही
बर्तन पर लगो।
क्यों भाई, रोड वेज की भागा दौड़ी, धूल धूप, ऑफिस का टाइम बेटाइम कहाँ से संभलेगा?
क्यों नहीं संभलेगी?
भाई साइंस के मुताबिक आदमी और औरत की शारीरिक संरचना में फर्क है कि नहीं?
फिर संरचना क्या बोल रहे आप?
अरे संरचना गूगल कर लीजिए।
अरे भाई बातों का बाजार गर्म हुआ कि नहीं अभी तक? शुक्ला जी, आपके बिना गेट टुगेदर में जान कहाँ आती है?
नमस्कार नमस्कार।
भाभी नमस्ते।
नमस्ते।
कुर्सी लपकिए।
हाँ ले रहा हूँ भाई।
कैसे हो भाभी? हम बिल्कुल ठीक हैं। अच्छा हुआ तुम आ गई, हमें तो लगा नहीं आओगी।
अरे कैसे नहीं आएंगी भाभी? और वैसे भी घर में रहकर करती क्या? यहाँ रहेंगे तो कम से कम आपका हाथ बटा देंगे किचन में, है कि नहीं? और भाभी बड़ा बढ़िया बढ़िया सीख रही है आजकल रेसिपी, देखिए कुछ बनवाइए। अरे भाई बनाओ। हाँ तो क्या संरचना, क्या बात हो रही थी?
संरचना पूछे।
बंगाली है क्या?
चले कि घुगनी ले आना।
घुगनी? अरे
सरला भाभी ने हड़कंप मचाया कि नहीं अभी तक? अभी कहाँ, तुम्हारा ही वेट कर रही हूँ।
नमस्ते भाभी।
नमस्ते रजनी,
कैसी हो?
बस बढ़िया।
सुंदर लग रही है रजनी। लो आ गया है। हाँ। सोट वोट के लड्डू भेजे कि नहीं मम्मी ने? हाँ
अरे अभी तो टाइम है भाभी,
चम्मच देना।
हाँ क्या बना रहे हो भाभी?
कचौड़ी का आटा गूंद रहे हैं।
बड़ा मन हो रहा था मेरा खाने का।
चटपटा खाने का भी मन हो रहा होगा। गर्मी ऐसी पड़ रही है, ऐसा लग रहा है रसोई एकदम भट्टी हो गई है।
एक मिनट, वो एक पंखा है तो ऊपर रखा हुआ, हम अभी लगा देते हैं। पर बतिया वो कुर्सी तो ले आओ दौड़कर।
ज्यादा चीटिंग मत करो वरना आंटी को जाके कह दूंगी।
जाओ कह दो, मैं भी तुम्हारे पापा को बोल दूंगा।
क्या कह दोगे?
कि तुम होमवर्क के बहाने वीडियो गेम खेलती हो। हाँ वो तो तुम भी करते हो, तो वीडियो गेम मेरा है। आराम से ये सब जो मन करेगा आगे
अरे और जब एमएलए साहब की अम्मा को दौरा पड़ा था तब क्या हुआ था?
हाँ पंडित जी, तब वही फॉर्च्यूनर लेके उसी रोड से भाग कर गए थे, क्योंकि अस्पताल के लिए सबसे शॉर्टकट रास्ता वही है।
लेकिन ये मदर का हार्ट अटैक कब हुआ था?
नहीं हार्ट अटैक नहीं हुआ था, पेचिस का दौरा पड़ा था।
पेचिस में दौरा पड़ने जैसा क्या है?
अरे सिंह साहब, पेचिस में तो बाखूबी दौरा पड़ता है, हाथ पाँव फूल जाते हैं
अरे
आदमी।
पेचिस माने क्या?
पेचिस माने डिसेंट्री था।
सुनो ओ शुक्ले, हमने तो नहीं सुना कि पेचिस से दौरा पड़ता हो।
चप्पल पहनी हो ना?
जी
क्या हुआ? अच्छा इसे ट्राई करो दीदी। हाँ ये ठीक रहेगा। अरे बाबा, भाभी पानी की बोतल किधर है? क्यों ला रहे? उधर कनेक्शन में कोई प्रॉब्लम तो नहीं? क्या हुआ? अरे दिखाइए। रुकिए मैं बर्फ लाती हूँ।
ये बताइए, इतिहास तो पढ़े हैं ना आप?
हाँ पढ़े।
अब बताइए, सम्राट अकबर की मृत्यु किस प्रकार की?
लड़ाई वड़ाई से हुई होगी, किस प्रकार?
तो वो मृत्यु को प्राप्त हुए पेचिस के दौरे की वजह से।
अरे क्या बोल रहे हैं?
हाँ
सम्राट अकबर डिसेंट्री।
सुनिए वो पंखा नहीं चल रहा, जरा ठीक कर देंगे?
अच्छा आ रहे बताते हैं, महल में मंदिर बना रखा था और वहीं नमाज पढ़ता था।
हाँ तो भाई जो अकबर थे वो बड़े सेकुलर थे, ये सब एमएलए जैसे थोड़े।
ये लीजिए। हाँ थैंक यू।
अभी बहुत देर हो गई दीदी, हम जाते हैं।
चाय तो
नहीं,
पुबाली, अब तुम अपना नंबर लगा ही लो।
क्यों? हस्बैंड वाइफ के बीच में कुछ नया बचा नहीं? 10 बच्चा पैदा कर लो।
सही कह रहे हो, हमें तो अभी से डर लग रहा है। अब बच्चे को पालना बड़ा करना आजकल के टाइम में कितना मुश्किल होगा ना।
अरे कितना बड़ा इमोशनल और फाइनेंशियल इन्वेस्टमेंट है
ये सब अंग्रेजी में सोचना ठीक लगता है। लव मैरिज वाली हो ना तो अभी ठीक है, 4-6 साल के बाद सूनापन लगने लगेगा।
जब मियाँ बीवी दोनों बूढ़े हो जाओगे तब कौन सहारा होगा? अच्छा, क्या गारंटी क्या है कि आपके ओल्ड एज में आपका बच्चा आपके साथ रहेगा? बच्चा है कि फिक्स डिपॉजिट? अरे ये नहीं कि हस्बैंड वाइफ एक दूसरे का साथ दो और इंडिपेंडेंट भी रहो। इंडिपेंडेंट रहना अच्छी बात है, अपने हिसाब से जियो, अपनी मर्जी से जियो, लेकिन बगैर बच्चों के कैसे?
हम 1 महीने से ऑफिस भी नहीं गए हैं और अब ये कह रहे हैं कि डिलीवरी के बाद तुम रिजाइन कर दो।
दिन भर बच्चे में ही लगी रहोगी, ऑफिस जाने का तो वक्त ही नहीं मिलेगा।
अब हमें ही देख लो ना, मंजू भाभी को देख लो, नौकरी तो छोड़ी ना, तो जरूरी है जो हमें करना पड़ा वो ये भी करे। अपनी मर्जी से नौकरी छोड़ना समझ में भी आता है, पर ये कौन सी किताब में लिखा हुआ है कि या तो बच्चों को पालो या नौकरी करो, दोनों एक साथ नहीं कर सकते हैं। मतलब भाई डायपर बदलना है तो वो तो हम ही को करना पड़ेगा ना, लोगों के हाथों से तो रिमोट छूट जाएंगे।
लेफ्ट हो जाता है ये क्या?
देख नहीं रहे हो तुम क्या? बच्चे आ जा रहे हैं यहाँ पर, अंदर कमरे में रखो उनको।
राहुल,
यहाँ मत लाओ।
अमेरिका जैसे
रुको यहाँ पर,
ट्रम्प
चलो
इस कंपनी
कमरे के अंदर चलो।
वही मैं बोल रहा हूँ।
यहाँ अंकल लोग बातें कर रहे हैं ना। डॉली, डॉली, डॉली।
हाँ मम्मी।
थाली लग गई है, भैया लोगों को खाना खिलाओ।
1 मिनट।
बहुत खेलनी हो तुरंत आओ।
अभी आगे देखो।
तुम लोग हॉल में क्यों जा रहे हो?
हम नहीं वो।
चुप करो, जब अंकल लोग ऐसी बातें करने लगते हैं तो बीच में मत जाओ। कभी हमें देखा जाते हुए? फिर वही बात, अब जाओ ध्यान से।
वो अमेरिका में जितने इंडियंस हैं ना वो सबको भगा देगा।
अरे मंजू जल्दी आओ भाई।
व्हाट डू यू थिंक ये मूवी किससे रिलेटेड थी? ओह, सबको आंसर पता था ऑलरेडी. एग्जैक्टली, जेंडर इक्वालिटी. सो जेंडर मीन्स men, women and transgender people. श्रुति, वो देख. Hi.
So many people pass comments, but हम तो भाई जैसे हैं वैसे रहेंगे. हम तो भाई जैसे हैं वैसे रहेंगे. अब कोई खुश हो या हो खफा, हम नहीं बदलेंगे अपनी अदा. समझे ना समझे कोई, हम यही कहेंगे. थैंक यू.
Transgender, a known yet an unaware term. So first I would like to tell you all that what is transgender. Transgender is just a mismatch between the sex with which a person is born and the gender which he or she inherits. Transgenders are always very harshly treated in our society, and they have to face the harsh comments passed by their own friends, relatives, parents and all society. Like, लड़का हो तो लड़की की तरह क्यों बात कर रहे हो, लड़का हो तो लड़की की तरह क्यों चल रहे हो, या लड़की की तरह क्यों डांस कर रहे हो. But before passing all these comments, we all should remember one thing always, that before being a man, woman or transgender, we all are human beings first. It's not a bad thing to be a transgender. Transgenders are also normal human beings like us. They are always discriminated on the basis that they are somehow different from all of us. Transgenders should always be treated equally in the society and should get all the equal opportunities at all the levels and the basic facilities which we all get as human beings in our society.
So one request I would like to just make to my male colleagues. Any one of you, I am just inviting you, please take initiative and come here and just walk just like female or transgender. Any one of you. Yeah.
So before I start, I want to make a request to everyone. In Audi, I played an act. I was given that act to एक किसी को tease करना है. So I did and everyone I think appreciated. खूब हंसे भी लोग. But जो मेरे को लगा unfortunately कि वो मेरे को एक tag कर दिया गया. When I came to school, मेरे से पूछा जा रहा है हमें भी सिखा दो कैसे लड़की पटाते हैं. So इसको कोई tag ना करें please. This is an act. और act तो कोई भी कर सकता है. So it is my humble request to everyone. लड़के का रोल तो प्ले कर सकते हैं, मैं ट्रांसजेंडर का कर रहा हूँ. ओके हाय हाय, ये क्या हो गया? यहाँ इतने सारे लोग क्यों आए हुए हैं? हाय हाय, अरे तुम क्या क्या कर रही हो? तेरे को तो स्कूल को आना चाहिए था. क्या तू मेरी तरह रहेगी? हाय हाय, अरे साहब जी, चश्मा लगाकर सॉफ्ट पहन के बैठे हो, थोड़ा यहाँ पर भी आ जाओ हमारे साथ. अरे मुझे तू उस लड़की को छेड़ता है, तो उसमें क्या कमी है? अरे चलना उसके घर में लड़का हुआ है, लड़की वाला. अरे ये लड़का हुआ.
Both of you, thank you so much. Actually, we should just say that both are very courageous. Yes.
As you can see, हमारे यहाँ पे बहुत सारे words हैं. So audience, now you tell me which words are specific to men and women. Hard working कौन होते हैं, लड़के या लड़कियाँ? दोनों? Yes. Beard. Submissive. Selfless.
आवाज नहीं आ रही.
Both. Cruel. Anger. courageous, caring, argumentative, adventurous, both risk taker, giving birth. So as you can see, जो भी टॉपिक है, वर्ड्स हैं जो स्पेसिफिक है, दैट कम्स अंडर सेक्स, जो हम चेंज नहीं कर सकते, दैट आर बायोलॉजिकल. बट जितने भी वर्ड्स हैं, करेजियस, एंगर, सेल्फलेस, ये हम दोनों के लिए यूज़ करते हैं. नाउ विनीता मैम विल एक्सप्लेन द डिफरेंस बिटवीन सेक्स एंड जेंडर.
Can anybody just tell me the difference between sex and gender? Yeah, Smita, come here.
Sex is basically biological. A person can be either a male or a female, but gender is socially constructed. It is something that we feel from inside. For example, a person can be asexual, intersexual, or just a male or a female. That's it.
Thank you, Smita. And yeah, you also want to come? Come.
दीदी ने बिल्कुल सही कहा that the sex is biological, but gender is created by our mindset and our society. As sex is either male, female, transgender, etc. But the thinking which we all develop for those male and female is called gender. And I think we all have noticed when we ever go to hospitals, we have seen that on the forms they are written that what is your sex. So it never asks what is your gender, but it's asked that what is your sex, whether you are male or a female. But gender is something which is created by us, like the household chores are done by our mothers, and our outside works, our hard working, our parent, our father. And this kind of mindset is of gender. But sex is biological. It never differentiates on the basis of the work they have done. Thank you.
Thank you so much. What's your name?
Ma'am, and Kaushiki.
Kaushik. So in our society, you also want to come, sir? Yes, you are welcome, sir.
नमस्कार सबको. जैसा कि बोला है कि सेक्स और जेंडर, ये सही कहा है कि जब जन्म होता है तो कोई लड़की है और कोई लड़का है, और जब हम इस समाज में आते हैं वहाँ से एक विभिन्नता जो होती है वो पैदा होती है. जब मैं अपनी पढ़ाई कर रहा था तब वहाँ पे बताया गया कि जो पैदा होते हैं लड़की और लड़का, कोई इसमें कोई भेदभाव नहीं होता. ये हमें बनाया जाता है कैसे? क्योंकि कायदे में लिखा होता है कि जा राधा खाना पका और राजा बाहर खेल. ये क्यों होता है? मेरा बस यही क्वेश्चन है, क्या राधा बाहर नहीं खेल सकती और राजा खाना नहीं पका सकता? हमारे कायदे में ये लिखा हुआ है. जो हम कायदा बच्चों को पढ़ाते हैं उसमें लिखा होता है कि राधा खाना पका और राजा बाहर खेल. क्यों? ये हमने बनाया, यही कह रहा हूं मैम, जेंडर यही है, ये चलता हुआ आ रहा है. ये वही बताया कि समाज में आकर ही विभिन्नताएं पैदा होती हैं, और जो लिंग होता है वो हमें जैविक रूप से मिलता है.
एक और चीज़ मैं शेयर करना चाहूँगी यहाँ पर कि जब बेबी इज बॉर्न, सो व्हेन मीन्स इट क्राइज, है ना, सो उसमें ये नहीं कहती माँ लड़का है लड़के की तरह रो, लड़की की तरह नहीं. अब उसके बाद अगर व्हेन ही और शी ग्रोज अप, और सपोज कोई बॉय है और स्कूल में बैठा है, क्या लड़कियों की तरह रो रहा है? Actually, this we should not actually practice. The whole day I just do practice in my classes, and the video is there in my phone also. So generally, we grow up writing on myself. Have we ever mentioned on ourselves, sir? Write an essay on myself. On ourselves? No, never. Why not? Gender and sex, are they same? So Smita, she has given the answer. And Kaushiki, you have given the answer, okay? So, I would like to relate one short story of a biological class. So, one of the students, he was very much confused related to the meaning of sex. So, he asked his teacher, what is the meaning of sex? So, teacher told him that this is biological differences in different individuals. But suddenly she started and calling it or related it to the gender. Is it right? No, it is not right. And this shows that in our society, how much this concept is misunderstood. Suppose, मान लीजिए कि एक boy and he proudly actually following his father. He swaggers and sticks his chest. Chances are there maybe that father is not showing anything, but the boy in his body, he wants to create a persona or just like an adult male role model. And this shows, it actually happens with the small girl also. When she puts high heel shoes of her mom and smears makeup on her face and mincing all the room. Clear? But chances are also she wants to adopt this swagger, the boy's swagger, on any occasion. But the adults again, they actually would not consider it as cute as her mincing. And any occasion the boy wants to actually do little bit mincing, but it won't be considered. So generally the gender persona or the performances, they are equal to everyone, and equal to everyone, but restraints or the constants, they come, means who can do with which impunity, which persona, impunity. Here gender and sex comes. Clear? Suppose, I'm just giving you one of the example. I'm sitting like that. Male. Like if you are female, you should sit like that. But actually we feel that how we should do. How we should do. Clear? So now, next, as our society tries to match up ways of behaving with biological basis sex assignments, we should think what actually one feels from inside. Do they means, are they comfortable in their way? So this is my concern.
Now, there are some of these stereotypes that are associated with gender, like मर्द को दर्द नहीं होता, women are not good drivers, men lack patience, women are not good leaders, men cannot raise a child, men don't cry. It's women's responsibility to take care of the family and household chores. So, what are the gender stereotypes you would like to change? Anyone? Okay. 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 A huge round of applause for everyone. Next. Hanji. Yes. Next. Yes, exactly. मर्द को भी दर्द होता है. So, what is gender equality? So, gender equality means that all genders are free to choose their career, lifestyle choices, and ability without any discrimination. Gender equality does not necessarily mean that everyone is treated exactly the same. It just means that their different needs and dreams are valued equally. In today's world, there is so much discussion around gender equality. Yet, we still see so many instances where women are discriminated against men, and there is a discrimination of other genders too. Latte Papa, like where all men come together. Like जैसे हम women जाती है hang out करने के लिए. Similarly, in Nordic countries, वहाँ पे क्या होता है? Fathers. Exactly, कि वो अपने babies को लेके जाते हैं और hang out करते हैं उनके साथ. Like in, especially in the Nordic countries, they have set an example by introducing parental leave instead of maternity leave, because they leave to send a message that raising a child is an equal responsibility of both the parents. And I will give you another example. Like in my cases, in PTM, we see participation mainly by mothers, and they are never appreciated for raising their child or fulfilling their family's responsibility. But when a father attends a PTM, हम सब बहुत तारीफ करते हैं, यार देखो उसके पापा आए थे आज PTM अटेंड करने, वो स्पेशल स्टूडेंट बच्चा है उनका, फिर भी कितनी केयर करते हैं. बट जब मदर वही चीज़ करती है तो कोई भी उनको अप्रिशिएट नहीं करता. थैंक यू.
Thank you so much. Give them a huge round of applause. Okay, so now we are moving forward to the 6th module by Jaspreet ma'am and Suman ma'am. It is based on nutrition, health and sanitation. Give them a huge round of applause.
Good afternoon everyone. Our team is assigned module number 6, that is nutrition, health and sanitation. There is no denying the fact that usually we say that a healthy mind resides in a healthy body. यानी हम बोलते हैं कि एक स्वस्थ शरीर में ही स्वस्थ मन का वास होता है, या स्वस्थ शरीर में ही स्वस्थ मस्तिष्क का निर्माण होता है. But are we really serious about our health? Many of us are skipping our breakfast as well as our lunch due to some kind of emergencies. So don't you think that we are playing with our health? So if you achieve all kind of things in this materialistic world, but if you lose your health, then you are going to get nothing or very little from other your achievements. So what you have to do? How can you remain healthy? So for that you have to eat healthy food. And imagine if you are eating a healthy food that is fulfilling your body with nutrients and energy, then imagine that your cells are smiling back at you and saying thank you. So this nutrition and health are not only the major issue of today's society, there is one more major issue that is prevailing in our society, that is the disposal of garbage. You have seen that many people, they throw garbage in the open. So that is not only destroying the beauty of nature, but it is also responsible for a number of causes. So as a responsible citizen, we have to understand the importance of sanitation so that we can live in a healthy society. So this was the introduction to our module, that is nutrition, health and sanitation. Now rest will be continued by Anushka and Astha, the students of class 11th B.
Good afternoon, everyone. We, the students of class 11th B, Astha and Anushka, are here to explain the crucial relationship between nutrition, health and sanitation, emphasizing how they collectively contribute to an individual's overall development and the broader implications of public health and global development.
We will discuss about कि proper nutrition को maintain करना क्यों important है, and how we can ensure good health practices and promote effective sanitation measures for healthier communities.
Eat, eat, eat. Eat, little ones. This is the age. Go beyond your imaginations. Teenage you are, need more nutrition, more than the child in the cradle.
There is a need for children to be more careful about their nutritional intake. Nutritional needs are higher during adolescence as compared to childhood because this is the age of rapid growth and development.
अभी we talked about कि हमारा nutritional intake बहुत अच्छा होना चाहिए. But can anybody tell what is nutrition?
Please, any one of you tells that what do you mean by nutrition?
Please,
ma'am. You please tell what is the meaning.
Ma'am, the intake of nutrients is called nutrition.
Yes, the food that you eat and the way that it affects your health is nutrition. But nutrition is the best if we take it as a balanced diet.
मैंने diet के बारे में तो सुना है, but what is this balanced diet?
आस्था, मैं तो आपको balanced diet के बारे में बता दूंगी. क्यों ना पहले हम अपने audience से पूछते हैं that what they mean by balanced diet?
Yes, ma'am. Who will
A balanced diet is a diet that includes all the nutrients needed by our body in right quantities.
Yes, a diet with an appropriate quantity of food from each of the different food groups that fulfills a body's nutritional need is balanced diet.
Different food groups such as energy-giving food, bodybuilding food and protective food.
Yes, here you can see the food pyramid which are showing different food groups. So, energy-giving food includes cereals, grains, chapatis and rice, etc. Whereas protective food includes vegetables and fruits, and bodybuilding food includes nuts, milk and yogurt.
अरे जसप्रीत, आज तो तुम बड़ी थकी हुई लग रही हो, क्या हुआ?
क्या बताऊं सुमन, ना जाने शरीर को क्या हो गया है, थोड़ा सा काम करने में ही इतनी टायर्डनेस फील होने लगती है।
अरे मुझे तो तुम्हारी स्किन भी येलो नजर आ रही है।
अरे यार, वो तो मैंने येलो सूट पहना है ना, उसका रिफ्लेक्शन आ रहा है।
अच्छा, कल को कहोगी रेड सूट पहना तो रेड सूट का रिफ्लेक्शन आ रहा है। छोड़ो ये सारी चीज़ें, इन सारी चीज़ों के अलावा मुझे तुम्हारी आईज के नीचे डार्क सर्कल्स भी नजर आ रहे हैं।
नींद भी बहुत कम आने लगी है थकावट के साथ साथ।
नहीं, इन सारी चीज़ों से तो मुझे लगता है आप में आयरन की कमी है।
आयरन? अब इसकी कमी दूर करने के लिए क्या करना चाहिए?
सबसे पहले तो ये बर्गर पिज्जा छोड़ो जिस पे सारा दिन लगी रहती हो, और उसकी बजाय ग्रीन लीफी वेजिटेबल्स खाना शुरू करो।
वेजिटेबल्स? वो तो मुझे नहीं अच्छी लगती, ऊपर से इतनी महंगी भी तो हैं।
वेजिटेबल्स तो खानी पड़ेंगी, नहीं तो काटती रहना डॉक्टर्स के चक्कर और देती रहना वहाँ पर पैसे।
डॉक्टर?
Can you guess what disease were they talking about? Anyone, please? Yes, you all are right. They were talking about anemia. Let us watch a little video about it.
आज भी पत्ते की सब्जी? हाँ, बच्चे के लिए मैंने यही किया था, और मेरी माँ ने भी।
नमस्ते।
कौन? मैंने पहचाना नहीं।
मैं कमला, गांव की नई आरोग्य सखी। डॉक्टर साहब ने बताया कि आपकी बहू गर्भवती है।
जी हाँ, यही है हमारी सखी। आप बताइए दीदी, पत्ते की सब्जी क्यों खानी चाहिए?
बताती हूँ, लेकिन पहले तुम ये बताओ कि हीमोग्लोबिन क्या होता है? गर्भावस्था के दौरान शरीर में खून की ज़रूरत बढ़ जाती है। खून में रहने वाली लाल रक्त कोशिकाओं को रंग देने वाले द्रव को हीमोग्लोबिन कहते हैं। यदि आपके आहार में लोह का प्रमाण कम है तो आपके खून में हीमोग्लोबिन का प्रमाण भी कम हो जाता है। इसे एनीमिया कहते हैं।
उससे क्या होता है?
माँ और बच्चे की जान को खतरा होता है। क्या तुमने एनीमिया की जांच करवाई है?
You all watched the video. This video tells us that severe anemia in a pregnant woman affects the growing fetus and results in the birth of low birth baby who is less than 2.5 kg, affecting the next generation.
Anemia is a condition of deficiency of hemoglobin in the red cells of our blood. It is caused due to lack of iron. Any adolescent who has hemoglobin below 12 gram per 100 milliliter is anemic.
Not only satisfying our nutritional needs is important, but also maintaining our personal hygiene is very crucial for our good health.
Personal hygiene? Can you define it?
Yes, of course. Personal hygiene reflects our good health. Lack in cleanliness may cause many infectious diseases, including epidemics such as dengue and malaria.
Let's see, आप लोग अपनी personal hygiene कैसे maintain करते हैं? Let us share some tips and tricks.
Yes, ma'am. Tips and tricks for maintaining personal hygiene.
We have to clean our body, clean our house, take bath.
Thank you, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Can you please answer?
Taking regular bath, wear clean clothes, washing hands, trim nails.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes, you all teachers are right. Maintaining a personal hygiene includes cutting our nails regularly, washing our hairs regularly, bathing daily, and brushing our teeth twice a day. You must have listened about the 7 C's related to communication skills. But आज हम आपको कुछ नया बताने जा रहे हैं. We are going to tell you about the 7 C's related to food hygiene.
Check, clean, cover, cross-contamination avoided, cook, cool and consume.
Not only maintaining our personal hygiene is important, but also cleaning our surrounding is very crucial.
Not to go out of your house, use your sanitary toilets. Also also clean it, or it is very hard to save your wallets.
Just like you want to stay away from lice, keep your surrounding clean from flies. Dustbins are here to help throw your litter. Eat and drink green and clean, or you will have to eat pills which are very bitter.
Infections can be transmitted not only from unhygienic surroundings but also from the infected person. It can be transmitted from contaminated food, flies, fields, fingers and fluids. And this is the concept of 5 Fs.
Not only individuals but also the government is taking initiative towards cleanliness and maintaining proper nutrition. Can any one of you give the example of some schemes launched by the government?
Very good. Yes, you are right. Weekly iron folic acid supplementation, National Deworming Day and Swachh Bharat Abhiyan are the some schemes launched by government.
Not only satisfying nutritional needs and maintaining our personal hygiene is enough, but also maintaining our biological clock is very important.
Biological clock? What do you mean by biological clock?
Biological clock maintains the sleeping cycle of our body. Disturbing the biological clock may cause malfunctioning in our biological processes such as detoxification.
Early to bed, early to rise makes a man healthy, wealthy and wise.
Yes, this is a fact.
You know, people living in villages are very healthier as they sleep early, wake up early and follow their natural biological clock. Thank you all for your cooperation. Now I would like to call Jaspreet ma'am on stage for concluding the session.
Healthy food, body in tune, clean surroundings, no germs to prune. Nourish well with body and mind, with good nutrition, happiness we find. Yes, nutrition, health and sanitation are interlinked. By recognizing their interdependence and implementing comprehensive strategies, we can, yes, we can create healthy communities and pave the way for the better and more sustainable future for all of us. Thank you.
We are doing for the last, for today, that is the 8th module, taken by Archana Dikshit ma'am. Give her a huge round of applause, and for the entire team out there on the promotion of healthy lifestyle.
गुड आफ्टरनून एवरीवन। वैसे सुमन मैम ने बहुत कुछ बता दिया है, तो आई विल नॉट टेक मच टाइम. Through this module, we are emphasizing the burning issue of today's adolescent, promoting healthy lifestyle. Lifestyle is the way of living. Healthy lifestyle not only promotes physical fitness, but also social behavior and stress-free mind. आजकल जब हम देखते हैं, टीवी में भी न्यूज़ वगैरह देखते हैं कि बच्चे सुसाइडल अटेम्प्ट्स कर रहे हैं बिकॉज दे कैनॉट deal with the stresses of life. So it is very important to have healthy lifestyle. For that, I am calling the Diksha from 10th class. I know you are very much tired, for giving you a light break. Come.
For a healthy lifestyle, eating healthy is not sufficient. We have to drink healthy. So, I request all of you to please stand up and let's make a fruit shake. Everyone, please stand up. I will announce mango shake and banana shake. When I announce mango shake, all you have to turn towards your right and twist your body. And when I announce banana shake, all you have to turn towards your left and twist your body. Are we ready? Yes. Okay, banana shake. Mango shake. Mango shake. Mango shake. Banana shake. Banana shake. Thank you, thank you. Now, I would like to call Adarsh and N. Kaushiki of class 9th to come and share some more facts regarding this topic. Thank you.
Good afternoon, everyone. This module focuses on promotion of healthy lifestyle. Enhancing healthy behavior among the children will not only protect themselves from various non-communicable diseases, but also prevent their health problems of adulthood.
Now let's talk about unhealthy lifestyle of people. During present scenario, there is a drastic transformation in the lifestyle of people. People are mostly preferring to eat momos, pizza, pasta, spring roll, etc. And these are going to make them diseaseful, such as stress, hypertension, blood pressure, cardiovascular disorder, etc. Also, students like us are busy in themselves at home, such as watching movies, online series, scrolling up the YouTube screens, etc., but not going outside to connect with nature. Also, due to their busy schedule of people, are mostly relying on their transportation facilities and sedentary habits. These all factors are becoming burden for the government of India. As government of India has to provide more and more funds to provide healthcare facilities to the people.
Now, let's talk about healthy lifestyle. For a good health, you should follow this step. Adopt habit like eating home-cooked food only, eating fruits, vegetables, sprouts, dry fruit in our daily diet. Playing physical game not only keep fit, but also give the lesson of like discipline, teamwork, and thus living from the stress.
Now let's talk about our government initiative. The government of India has launched Ayushman Bharat Pradhan Mantri Jan Arogya Yojana in 2018. It has mainly two components. First, to open healthcare and wellness centers in India to provide primary healthcare to the public. Secondly, to provide healthcare insurance up to 5 lakh of rupees to provide healthcare facilities to the people.
Now, let's talk about school initiative. Our school is also taking initiative for health as wellness of not only students, but also all staff members through these activities. Organizing workshop for staff and students, meditation break, fruit break for junior classes, organizing club activities to spread awareness of healthy lifestyle. Involving students in physical activities like yoga, taekwondo, gymnastics, sports, etc. Informing teachers and students to bring only home-cooked food, organizing health camps. Thank you.
Now, I would like to welcome students of class 9th, Vanshika, Shubham, Pratham, and Shrishti to play a beautiful role play here on the stage to make all of us aware about our health care. Have a huge round of applause for them.
Hello everyone. Today we are depicting Module 8, Promotion of Healthy Lifestyle through a role play. So, Aditya and Diksha are two friends going back to their homes after school. Scene 1 on the way. What happened, Aditi?
I'm not feeling well.
Sit here and drink a little water. I will take you to your home. What happened to you?
I'm not able to breathe properly.
Sit. Scene 2. Aditi's father opened the door. Namaste, uncle. Aditi is feeling breathless and drowsy. Please take her to the doctor.
Thank you, dear. I will definitely take her to the doctor.
Scene 3, doctor's clinic.
Doctor, my daughter is feeling breathless and drowsy. Please check her.
Looks like anemic. You are a young girl. You should be very active. Tell me, what have you eaten since the morning?
I had some chips and soft drinks.
Yes, doctor. She prefers fast food rather than home-cooked food.
Yes, this is a common problem of today's adolescents. They prefer junk foods and lack exercise.
Yes, her friend told me that she is also not interested in playing during the physical period.
Sir, you have to be alert for diet as well as for fitness. Beta, avoid the junk food. Switch to healthy homemade foods. And follow physical fitness regime by opting any one activity of your own choice. Yoga, meditation, dancing, swimming. There are so many. No need of medication. Only these lifestyle changes will make her fit.
Thank you, doctor.
I hope you learned a lot from these modules. I hope you all will implement these in your life. Now I would request all the teachers to stand up at their position and take a pledge with me. So let's get ready. Take nutritious diet.
Take nutritious diet.
Along with exercise.
Along with exercise.
For a healthy lifestyle.
For a healthy lifestyle.
I would heartily please thank you so much everyone for giving us all your time.
So ये बच्चों ने पहली बार एक्ट किया था. So ये कभी स्टेज पर नहीं आए बट स्कूल को और टैलेंट लेकर आना है. दैट इज़ वाई हमने वही बच्चे सिलेक्ट किए जो फर्स्ट टाइम स्टेज पर थे. थैंक यू.